Hello and welcome to another episode of Build, Fix, Eat. Today we are going to be building this little rocket stove for a buddy of mine. Alright, let's get at it. Ideally I would use 4x4 square tube for this rocket stove, but I don't have any, and I'm building this for a buddy, trying to keep costs down, so I'm just using some material I have laying around the shop from other projects. So to get going, I'm going to cut these pieces out with the plasma cutter, just a lot quicker. Now anytime you cut something with the plasma cutter, you're going to end up with some dross. And it's my opinion that you should knock it off rather than try and grind it. You'll save your grinding wheels, that's for sure. They'll last a lot longer because this stuff's pretty hard and it really eats them up. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. You see the dross is right there. I'm going to take a scrap piece of metal, or maybe even one of the plates that I'm working with, and I'm just going to smack it off. And it's almost all gone. A little bit on the corner, but that's okay. I'll knock that with the grinder. But everything else is off. Okay, so we got our main pieces cut out. Got them trimmed up. Now we're going to fit it up. All right, it's all tacked up now, but this is only 1/8 plate and it's outside corner weld. So I'm gonna drop my heat a bit. I'm gonna run about 290 and 18.8, almost 19 there, so. All right, let's weld it out. Look at that cool down just a bit. Alright, well, she's welded out. Time to put some legs on it. Top grate. Paint her up. Let's dry fit it. Okay, now we're going to build the grate that goes on top. That'll hold a pot or a frying pan or whatever. Alright, time to tack these legs on. Now we're going to weld up this handle. This little piece of expanding metal will keep the pipe up a bit. Alright, we're going to put the standoffs on for the cooking grate. Alright, now we're going to weld the handle on. Make sure this is good. Move it on. Okay, good. Now, just a little trick for you. If you're tacking something like this up, if you tack on the inside, when the fillet shrinks, it's going to push the handle against the workpiece. So it's working in your favor if you tack on the inside. If you tack on the outside, then the handle will want to lift up. If you tack on the inside, the handle will want to push down against the workpiece. Makes your life easier. Put your tacks on the inside so it squeezes against itself. Okay, so we got her painted up now. You can see it. Great for the fire. I think she looks pretty good. Okay, let's go fire it up and season it up. Well, it's minus 15 out here and it's a bit difficult to get this thing warm, but well, thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.